Combined team of Imphal West Commando and Singjamai Police arrested one overground of Pripak Pro organization from Singjamai Mayingbam Laikai last night. The arrestee has been identified as Sapam Romi, alias Mocha Singh, aged 40 years, son of late S. Ibobi Singh of Singjamai Mayingbam Laikai. A mobile phone, 4 Chinese hand grenades and 5 detonators were recovered from his possession. Romi was handed over to the Singjamai police station for further verification. The 4th Guwahati Open Junior Tennis Championship 2020 got off to a colourful start at the RG Borua Sports Complex, Nehru Stadium in Guwahati yesterday. This is one of the flagship tournaments of Assam organised by the Guwahati Lawn Tennis Association. Assam government has ordered a magistrate inquiry into the unfortunate fire incident where 2 children, namely Ishan and Ivan, died in a Beltola's resident Guwahati on January 23rd last. As per sources, District Magistrate Kamrup Metropolitan District shall conduct the inquiry and ascertain the cause of the incident. At least 3 Indians are admitted to Ram Manohar Lohia Hospital in New Delhi after they returned to the country from China, where the coronavirus outbreak has claimed 106 lives. Over 4,500 infected cases have been reported in China in less than a month. As per media reports, Medical Superintendent of RML Hospital, the 3 male patients had visited China recently and walked into the hospital on their own yesterday. They have been isolated and further tests have been conducted.